So hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max speaker problem or speaker no sound issue. How to fix it. So guys, to fix this, first of all check the silent mode. Ensure that your device is not into the silent mode if your iPhone has ring. Okay. For checking this, you just go here and go to the control panel, and here is the option of silent. So you just turn it off, and here the option silent is turned off. Okay. And guys, another thing is you try to adjust volume setting. For adjusting the volume setting, you move to the settings. In the setting, find the option of sound and haptics. So the sound is haptics is here, and you make sure that your volume is more than half of the bar. Okay, so you also and again check it. Okay, and guys, try to clean the speaker grills. So guys, inspect the speaker opening of dust or debris that can block the sound. Use an iPhone with a soft braided brushes or the micro cloth to gently clean it around the speaker area. Okay guys, and if you facing the problem same again and again, so guys, you also try to reset the setting all the phone, because sometimes we create such type of settings and we are not finding. So just go to the journal. In the journal, just find option transfer and again tap on reset, then again reset and enter your passcode and start the process. The last thing is check for the software update. So guys, make sure your phone is always up to date. So for checking the software update, again open the settings, then journal, and then here is the option of software update. If it is shows iOS 18 is up to date, then okay, otherwise it shows any update, so you download it quickly. So guys, thank you and have a nice day, and subscribe our YouTube channel for the further information. I hope this video is very helpful for you.